YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Darren, the Bowtie Fragrance Guy. I'm doing something different today. I normally record during the daytime, but it is evening time. I have off from work, so kind of unwinding. But I got home and I had a special delivery today. I have the brand new Mont Blanc Legend RED. So I thought, hey, I'd do something a little bit different. I'm going to unbox this fragrance with you guys and kind of give you my first impressions on it. So that's what we're doing. It's evening time, but evening time is the right time. Every time is the right time to talk about fragrances, right? So we're gonna unbox this. I'm gonna unbox it with you guys and give you my first impression. So if you wanna see my thoughts, initial thoughts on the new Mont Blanc Legend RED, then you know the routine, keep it locked right here. All right, I'm back. Thank you so much for keeping it locked. Let's go ahead and jump into this box. Really quickly, I did not say this. I'm the Bowtie Fragrance Guy. I talk about fragrances and fashion on this channel. So if you're into fragrance and fashion, consider subscribing to the channel and also make sure you hit the bell icon as well. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload new content. Maybe they will, maybe they won't, but do it anyway if you like to. All right, so I'm probably gonna edit some of this out as far as like opening the box, but let's try my best to get through this in an efficient manner because I actually am tired, so I want to get some rest. But I want to unbox this fragrance. All right, guys. So I purchased my fragrance from Nordstrom. Alrighty. I think it is available at Nordstrom, but I also think it may be available at Macy's now, if I'm not mistaken. I'll make sure I link it where you can try this out or find it if you'd like to give it a try for yourself. Okay, so this is, I don't know, they sent it in this big plastic bag. It was in a box, but it's in a plastic bag. Okay, that's different. I don't think I've ever seen that before. But anyway. Alrighty, so here is the box. Again, this is a 3.3 ounce box. This is a flanker of the original Mont Blanc Legend. I don't remember how many flankers there are now. They had Mont Blanc Legend, and they had Legend EDP, and then they had Legend Night. Then I think it was a Legend Intense. And then you have Mont Blanc Legend Spirit. Then you had a special edition, the blue special edition, which I got that on the way. That's coming on the way. I'm gonna have that one as well. And now you have Mont Blanc Legend RED. First of all, if you guys have followed me for any amount of time, you know I love the color of red. So that's already a plus. So I saw it, I said, hey, you know what? Let's go ahead and pull the trigger on this and see what we got. All right, so again, guys, the box is very similar to the other boxes from the previous releases from the this series. The fragrances, here's the box. It is a red box, of course, with black writing and black embellishments on the box. It says Mont Blanc, well, it says Legend RED Mont Blanc. It's 100 ml EDP, 3.3 fluid ounces. So let's go ahead and get into the box and get the fragrance out. So I don't even have to tell you. You guys know I love red, so I love the bottle, but here's the bottle. Okay, once again, it is very reminiscent to the other fragrances from this line. Hold on, I think it's supposed to have a cap on it. One moment. Now, oh, the cap. It was inside the box. I was about to say, man, I think the other ones had a cap on it. So yeah, it does have a cap. So now she is complete. So let's show you guys again what it looks like with the cap on it. There you go. Now this is a proper presentation. Again, very similar to the other releases from the line. So if you have the original or you have Spirit, then you pretty much know what this looks like. This, of course, go imagine in the color of red. So I'm gonna spray it, guys. I haven't looked up notes or anything on this. I just want to spray it, give you my initial impressions, then maybe I'll look up the notes and kind of tell you what I think about it if I detect what they're indicating is in it. Spray is pretty good. I like it. This is very pleasant. This is right up my alley, man. I do pick up some of the original Mont Blanc Legend in this. This is dope, man. This kind of smells like, just off the top of my head, I would put it in the categories of fragrances like Lamel, Le Parfum. You know, just off the top of my head, it's kind of got that sweetness to it. That one was kind of fresh, but then it had like a vanillic kind of sweetness in it as well on the dry down. I like this. It's nice. I'm gonna spray my hand really quickly and kind of give you my impressions on skin as well. This is pretty dope. Have to let the alcohol die down a little bit. This is dope. I mean, honestly, the more fragrances you smell, the harder it's gonna be to like knock your socks off when you smell a fragrance for the first time. But I mean, it smells great though. I gotta give it that first impressions. It does smell great. It's not, you know, too similar to like a whole lot of the other fragrances that were released as of late in the more recent history. I like this one. I really do like this one. I can definitely see in this being something that will get compliments. I mean, just like the original Mont Blanc Legend Spirit, very highly complimented fragrances. I think this will be the same. This to me is kind of like a little bit sweeter version of those fragrances. So Legend Spirit went super fresh and invigorating. The original Legend, of course, smells like Abercrombie and Fitch Fierce. So just add like a kind of creaminess from maybe sandalwood and a vanillic kind of sweetness to it. And that's what you get in this right here. So I really like this, man. I'm definitely gonna make this my scent of the day. I like this. I like it a lot. Let's see what they have listed as notes. All right, so the notes here listed on Fragrantica are blood orange, grapefruit, and cardamom. You have cedar, clary sage, and juniper berries, mahogany, atlas, cedar, and tonka bean. Okay, so I was saying a vanillic kind of sweetness. I guess that was coming from the tonka. I definitely get that blood orange in the opening. That is very prominent. There is something really spicy here. I'm guessing that's coming from the cardamom, that clary sage. But man, this is really, really solid. Again, this is just the first impressions. I want to unbox this with you guys and give you my first impressions. But my first impression is that I really like this one. Again, it's not going to be anything that, you know, groundbreaking. I don't think there's really many things that are going to come out that's groundbreaking, especially on the designer side. But it's solid, definitely solid. Again, I think you guys will be impressed or like the fact that it's not reminiscent of everything else that came out over the past year and a half. So that it does have that going for it, and it's very, very pleasant, very wearable. So far so good. I like it. You know, again, $100 for the 100 bucks for the 100 ml, and I don't really know what the cost is for the 50 ml, but I think it does come in a 50 ml as well. But guys, I want to wear this. I want to tell you, come back and do a full review, because I want to see what this does as far as performance and things of that nature to really be able to recommend whether I think it's worth it per se. Of course, you know it's going to go to discounters probably within the next 6 to 7 months. So it is what it is. But overall, again, my first impressions are I really am digging this one. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's my time. I just wanted to unbox this with you guys and give you guys my first impressions on the newest release from the house of Mont Blanc. Mont Blanc Legend, no, not Spirit, Mont Blanc Legend Red. As always, I appreciate your time and attention to this video. These videos you don't have to watch, but you do. I sincerely appreciate that. Then don't forget to make sure you guys take a few moments to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you share these videos out to some other folks that you think could use this information or find it entertaining. Because I'm your guy, Darian, the bow tie fragrance guy. I love to look good, and of course, I love to smell amazing. So until next time, guys, keep looking good, keep smelling even better. I'll catch you on the flip side.